Hello everyone and welcome back to Career Roots UAE. If you are applying for jobs, whether you're in your home country or already here in the UAE, one thing that can make your CV look more professional is having a good profile photo. The problem is not everyone has got the money or the time to visit a photography studio. People end up using selfies, cropped photos, or pictures with distracting backgrounds, and this doesn't create a good first impression. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT to turn an ordinary selfie into a professional CV photo for free and in just a few minutes. Let's get started. First, open your browser and open ChatGPT. If you already have an account, simply log in. And if you don't have one, just use your Google account to create a free account. And step one is uploading your picture. Now just click on the plus sign button and upload a clear selfie. I already have mine on the laptop. I will upload it, and the next thing will be prompting ChatGPT. But before prompting ChatGPT, make sure that your selfie is a clear selfie, that you really look directly at the camera, and that you avoid sunglasses or heavy filters. Make sure that you have good lighting, because good lighting will always produce better results. So I'll go ahead and paste my prompt. You can also copy the prompts in the description of this video. I will paste the prompt and then press enter. So now when we press enter, we will wait for ChatGPT to generate the image. So now ChatGPT is creating the image. We will wait and see what ChatGPT has for us. Creating image, it takes a bit some time, but not a lot. It is now sketching it out. It's now making the final draft. Just be a little bit patient, setting the scene and then polishing details. Finishing up. Let's see what ChatGPT has for us. Adding final touches. One last tweak. One last tweak. Make sure you have good internet while doing all this. Alright, here is our picture. Here is our picture. Click on it and download it. After downloading it, here is our picture. Here is our picture. You may as well compare it with the selfie that you took, and notice whether it is suitable for your CV picture. I think it is suitable. Yeah, one thing I want to mention is the tool is not meant to change your appearance. It is only meant to give you a professional look. So make sure you don't change your age, your appearance, as this could mislead employers. So anyone applying for a job where professional presentation matters, you can use this and get saved money and time of visiting a photo studio. If this video has helped you save your money and improve your CV, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Career Routes UAE. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.